Hello guys, this is Rishabh and you are watching Company360.in. Today's topic is Trademark User Affidavit. What is Trademark User Affidavit? Let's start with knowing what Trademark User Affidavit is. User affidavit or trademark statement of use is an affidavit that must be attached to a trademark registration application when previous use claim is made. Under the Trademark Rules 2017, the trademark user affidavit has been made a mandatory attachment with all trademark applications claiming prior use. User affidavit is an official trademark statement that is made by the trademark user along the trademark registration application. The user affidavit is a mandatory attachment that is required to be attached with all trademark applications. The proprietor signing the affidavit is known as the deponent, who declares the content mentioned in the affidavit is true and accurate to the best of his belief and knowledge, and nothing has been concealed or misstated. What is user date in an affidavit? The user date is a date which implies the date of the first use of the trademark by the proprietor, which is included in the affidavit. The trademark applicant need to include the commercial transaction receipts in such cases. Documents in support of prior use. In case the trademark is being used previously by the proprietor, then the documents in respect of it shall be attached along with the affidavit. Date of the first use in case of goods is the date when the goods were first transacted by the proprietor under the mark. Date of the first use in case of services is the date when the services were first rendered by the proprietor under the mark. Any invoice issued by the proprietor in respect of goods or services rendered. Any copy of the advertisement made by the proprietor in respect of goods or services. Any hoarding or template in respect of goods or services. Content of user affidavit. Under the Trademark Rules 2017, the user affidavit submitted along the application shall contain following documents along with the trademark application. Name of the mark. The user affidavit shall include the name of the mark that is to be registered. The name of the mark must be clearly mentioned along with its description on all trademark applications. Details of the proprietor. The user affidavit shall include name, address, nationality of the proprietor. Class of the mark. The user of the affidavit shall clearly mention the class of the mark under which the trademark is required to be registered by the user. The class of the mark means under which the goods are being traded or services are rendered by the proprietor. Date of first use of mark. The user affidavit shall include the date of the first use of the trademark by the proprietor. Date of the first use is the date when the goods were first transacted or the services were first rendered under the mark by the proprietor. In case the mark is to be firstly used by the proprietor, then the date of the first use can be mentioned as proposed to be used. Want to get your trademark registered? Company360.in provides you with all the necessities required for this procedure for a very reasonable price. Thanks everyone. Still have some questions? You can put them down in the comments below. Or you can contact us through these contacts we've given you on your screen. Our team members will be glad to help you.